Alright guys, here is our current example for Stag Sunday. As noted before, I'm kind of an olbertz fanboy. And this knife right here might be the reason why. This is my 4th generation bulldog cotton sampler. (1996). This will be an early 4th generation because 1996 is when Jim Parker started having this tank stamp put on the bulldog knives. Jim Parker commissioned an artist to draw Lucky, which was Miss Parker's purple ribbon bred American Pit Bull Terrier. But as you can see, this section is dated 97 from the Florida Knife Collectors Association Incorporated, one of 12. This being number 2. The fit and finish of the Stag, especially this side, it's gnarly to the bolster, which this kind of being a bear head pattern might not be so difficult finishing this side, but on the bolster side, top notch. Snap is awesome. You have a half stop, and it's just a very unique pattern. One of the more reasons you have to love the Jim Parker and olbertz produced pocket knives. It's one of the many olbertz rabbit holes you can go down if you want to start somewhere. Bulldog is a good place to start. A lot of information on them. The later 6th generation knives are contracted to Great Eastern Cutlery and Queen, which I don't think very many of those were produced. These were produced mainly for knife collectors. Sorry about this. Produced mainly for knife collectors, not so much users, but still represented a very good value for a quality handmade knife. Some of the earlier 1st generation bulldogs are pretty hard to come by now. I just feel lucky to own this one. I don't know how much you can read there from Goins. But they're pretty well documented. I just thought I'd share this one with you for Stag Sunday. Very unique pattern. Very beautiful stag. From one of my favorite manufacturers, Friedrich olbertz. We'll be showcasing more from the olbertz factory once again, because I kind of like them. Y'all might pick up on that if you keep viewing this channel. But anyways, I've taken up enough of y'all's Sunday. Hope you enjoy it, and hope y'all get to bang your head against the wall researching olbertz as I have. This is Hillbilly Proud. Y'all have a good one.